Pat-dry lang natin ang steak ng paper towel. Season with rock salt, black pepper, and rosemary powder. I-season lang din ang kabilang side, then leave it for 5 minutes para ma-absorb muna ang lahat ng seasoning. Sear the steak on high heat. 1 minute on each side pag ganito kanipis ang steak. Let it sear at once lang i-flip ang steak ha. Remove the oil and mag-melt tayo ng butter. Lutuin ang garlic and rosemary na bahagya. And then, sear the steak on both sides for 30 seconds. Make sure to rest the steak for 5 to 10 minutes before hiwain. And boom! Medium rare. And this is my initial reaction. Malambot.
Yan, baka maubos ko.
For 700 pesos, meron ka ng 3 pieces ng steak and I got it from Landers. Kaya kung hindi mo pa nasusubukan, it's worth a try.